How to lay sod over old grass. In time, grass lawns thin out and develop gaps, eventually losing the lush, green appearance. Laying sod over old grass is one way to restore a manicured look. Site preparation is an important factor when planting sod. You cannot simply insert pieces of sod in certain parts of the lawn because you'll get a patchy result. Start with a base that is ideal for growing sod. Things you will need: rototiller, starter fertilizer, water, wheelbarrow, sod, sharp blade, roller. Till the old grass down to a depth of 4 to 6 inches. Remove as much of the debris as you can, including the roots of the old grass. Sod must be in contact with soil to take root, so loosening the old grass will create a better base. Spread a starter fertilizer with a nitrogen-phosphorus-potassium ratio of 2:1:1. Water the area until the soil is moist to help the food get into the soil. Load sod into a wheelbarrow and take it to the planting area. Gently lift out the sod piece by piece, being careful not to tear it. Take out a full strip of sod and lay it down along the outer border of the lawn. Put other full strips as close as possible to the first one to eliminate gaps and lines. Work your way across the lawn, laying down as many full strips of sod as possible. Focus on pulling them tightly together without ripping them. Fit irregular spaces with smaller sod pieces cut with a sharp blade. In corners, overlap the sod over the border and go back later to cut off the excess. If you need to use small pieces of sod, make sure they are in the middle of the lawn. Small pieces on the edges of your lawn tend to die. Run a half-full roller over the sod. Water until the top 6 to 8 inches are moist. Tips: warnings. Plan to plant sod as soon as it's delivered for the health of the grass. If that isn't possible, keep the sod stored in a cool, shaded area and spray with a hose to keep it moist. Avoid watering grass in the evening because of the risk of fungal diseases. Don't walk on sod until it's established.